This guy.
Awkward. Beach day.
I do tend to. Why so delayed?
Beach day. We head to Wildberry for breakfast, and then went to the beach after, maybe like closer to 11. How long did it take to get there? Oh! What? Your strides are too short. I have to do this. Definitely a wait.
For Janessa, party of 3 for Janessa?
No, but
I'm already sweating. And it's what, like 80 degrees? It's about to get hotter too. And then we're gonna go to the, it's only 73, I was sweating. We're about to go to the beach too. There's not gonna be any shade.
So it would have been hotter if we went later.
Yeah. If we went, yeah, if we went our original time, which was like 3 to 6, it was like 90 degrees.
3 to 6.
It's 90 degrees that time. So actually good that we moved it up. It'll probably be like, probably get there around 11. Honestly. It's almost, what, it's like 10 right now?
we don't need to rush once we're eating.
Yeah, it's 9:50 right now, so. The table's ready.
Okay, I guess YOLO.
I'll probably get the seasonal special peach cobbler, French toast, and then add 2 eggs. I think it's coming. It's coming. Oh, I got it. Thank you. The ham is thick. That's good. Bro. Brisket.
And blueberry Danish.
Yeah. Ooh. Wait, that looks better than mine. Cobbler, French toast, scrambled eggs. My scrambled eggs look kind of sad. Man, this is $5. I should not have done that.
See, you lied. I used to say so. Tell you like the first.
Hey, wait. I don't want too much. I wanted to try the oh my god. You don't want butter? I do. I think I already have butter. Oh, just keep the fork. It was dripping. Whoa. Holy cow. It's good, yeah.
That's not nice. Not much meat.
It's pretty good. Oh man, we destroyed that. It destroyed me. Still got a lot of skills. Oh man, I'm so full. On our way to Montrose Beach. ETA in about 10 minutes. It's pretty hot. Ooh, y'all brought watermelon.
Yes, sir. Have like a candy shake?
Ooh.
Like a tan shake? Or melon?
Bread.
Beach is pretty big.
Sandwich meat.
We thought that far ahead.
Yeah, we did not.
Oh wait, I got you.
To the pit.
It's too bright. I gotta grab
Making
my.
alright? Look at it.
It's the food coma. The white girl.
Little bit? We're gonna give a mask. Suck in, suck in. Suck in? Suck in, John.
You look at me, suck it, okay.
I'm kidding, I'm just looking out for you. Bro, look at his back.
No, click it.
Oh my
Ah, what the hell?
SPF.
Natural
SPF.
Why are you waving? Don't want me on moves.
PK! Jimmy! Oh my god, it is hot.
Oh, shoot my hat.
You got everybody.
I don't know. I came and I just made it better for him. His life got better.
Yeah, Mario pushed me though.
Yeah, because we starting a new journey. Stay tuned.